If you are running a business where you are the one who's managing operations, sales, marketing, finances, hiring, and everything else, then let me tell you something. You're not really running a business. Your business is making you run because you've set yourself in a trap called the trap of self-employment. Self-employment is a situation where you start a business, you create jobs, you pay salaries to your team members on time, but you end up doing the work that your team is supposed to do. And in such a trap, it's very common for the business owner to not pay himself or herself consistently, because you pay yourself only when there is money left, if there is money left. Now, if as a business owner, you're stuck in this trap and you're serious about breaking through this trap and build a business in a manner where you are not stuck in day-to-day firefighting and you can focus on growth and expansion, then I invite you to be a participant at my 3-hour training called the Business Success Workshop, where I will teach you how to go about building a business in a manner where you have strategies, systems, and teams in every single department, so you have the time and energy to focus on growth and expansion. And all of this for just an investment of rupees 99. Hi, my name is Rajiv Talreja, and as an educator for the last 17 years and as a business coach for the last 7 years, I've helped more than 25,000 business owners set up strategies and systems in their